Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a Super Bowl worthy buffalo chicken dip. This is all of my kids' favorite dip that I make, and I wanted to share this with you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope at the end of this video you will hit that like button as well, as it helps my channel to grow. Super Bowl season is upon us, so let's get ready and let's get going to make some dip. Okay, so I have the oven preheated on 400 degrees. I have a cast iron skillet, I have a dish to put this in, and then I have all of my ingredients. I have cream cheese, I have the different kinds of buffalo sauce because I had a little bit in each one. I wasn't sure if one was going to be enough. Today I'm using these ready cut chicken breasts that I got at Costco. They're already cut up. You can use a regular chicken breast and cut it up yourself, or you can use a rotisserie chicken as well. I also have this ranch seasoning. It's to make ranch dressing. It's a big container. It's lasted me for years. I'm going to sprinkle that in. And then I have some shredded cheese. It's just a Colby Jack mix from Costco. So the first thing we're going to do is put some olive oil in the pan. I'm using garlic olive oil because I ran out of my regular, but that's okay. I'm preheating the pan, putting the oil in. And then the next thing we're going to want to do is put that chicken in and get it going. So we're putting it in the pan, and then I like to do a little seasoning on it. I'm not sure that I show you the seasonings. This time I used garlic powder, pepper, and I believe I used some smoked paprika. Oh, I do show you. So I don't always show the seasonings I use. So just some black pepper, garlic powder, and I believe the smoked paprika was all that I put on it. And I just was not too generous, but a little bit. I didn't want to add garlic salt because sometimes between the buffalo sauce, the wing sauce, whatever you want to call it, and the ranch powder, I can't talk, sorry. It gets a little bit too salty if you're adding garlic salt to the chicken as well. So I'm just breaking it up, and I'm gonna let it sit here and sizzle. I want it to be completely done. So it usually takes me probably 5 minutes or so to cook this. And we will just keep going until this is all done. All right, so we are taking a container and a half or a cube and a half of cream cheese. It typically calls for one, so if you only have one, that's okay. We like ours to have a little bit of extra cream cheese, so I add 1.5. I'm taking this flat spatula and I'm just spreading it out in the pan evenly. I want it to be an even layer of cream cheese. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. I hit the slow motion button again, so I had to cut out a lot of my footage because I don't know how I keep doing this, but I have. So anyway, I sprinkled the ranch seasoning onto this. You can use a heavy hand, a light hand, depending on what flavor you like with it. So it's all up to you. Next, I took the chicken after it was done and I chopped it up a lot smaller. I like it to be small pieces, almost like a shredded consistency, so that you can get, small bites of chicken on each cracker that you dip it in. So here's the chicken all put in, ready to go. And the next thing we have to do is the hot sauce. So Red Hot is one of our favorites, and Sweet Baby Ray's is one of our favorites. So as you can see, I have a half container of each. So I just grabbed one and hoping that I have enough so I don't have to mix them. But if I do, no big deal. You can also stretch your wing sauce out if you have just like a regular hot sauce, like a Crystal hot sauce or just the regular Red Hot, and add a little bit more hot sauce to it. If you want it spicier, you can add cayenne pepper to it. It's totally up to your choosing. This is just how we do it. And I had just enough in this bottle to cover this dip up. And so it's time to get ready to put the cheese on it, and it will go in the oven. So I put a good amount of cheese on it, as you can see, and the oven is preheated at 400 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead, keep it uncovered, stick it in the oven, and it typically takes about 20 to 25 minutes. This, I believe, was about 20 minutes, and it's kind of brown around the edges, as you can see, and everything's melted and warm. And it's best served warm, and if it gets cold, you can heat it up. My family goes through it so fast, we typically don't have to heat it up. We like to eat it with wheat thins, so I have some wheat thins ready to go. You can use bread, you can use any cracker you want. We just prefer the wheat thins. So here it is. Here's a nice big bite, and you can see it falls off the cracker because I like so much of it, but you can see all the layers of yumminess, the cream cheese, the chicken, and the regular cheese, and of course the hot sauce. This is a award-winning dish to bring to the Super Bowl. People love it. I'm telling you, it's easy peasy, and you will be the talk of the party. So anyway, if you have not yet hit that like button, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I download a video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.